Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on the Google Play Store in Motorola Razr 4D. And to do this, first let's launch our Google Play Store and here try to find the games like Call of Duty. And here's the icon for it, but when you click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture and open the settings. Here find the family. Scroll down for parental controls, and here you can either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, insert the PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards. Now go back and look for the game again. Here it is, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.